Hi there. Are you interested in earning money from your YouTube videos? If so, you're in the right place. There are several ways you can monetize your videos on YouTube and start earning some cash. Here are a few options to consider. Google AdSense. This is the most common way to earn money from YouTube videos. When you enable ads on your videos, Google will place ads on your videos and you'll earn a portion of the revenue from those ads. To get started, you'll need to link your YouTube channel to a Google AdSense account and enable ads on your videos. Sponsorships. If you have a large following, you may be able to earn money by partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in your videos. This can be a great way to earn some extra cash, but it's important to make sure the products or services you promote align with your values and your audience. YouTube Premium. If you have a YouTube Premium account, you can earn money from your videos through the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn a portion of the subscription fees paid by YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your videos. Merchandise. If you have a loyal audience, you can sell merchandise through your YouTube channel. This can be a great way to earn passive income and engage with your audience. Overall, there are many ways to earn money from your YouTube videos. It's important to find the right monetization strategy for your channel and to be consistent in creating and uploading quality content. With dedication and hard work, you can start earning money from your YouTube videos in no time.